everybody, it's Ashley Samantha and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then you're going to want to subscribe, so let's do a moment of silence for that. Okay, so you should have subscribed by now, and if you haven't, then you're missing out. I'm gonna do this it's actually easy. It looks hard, but it's actually easy, and I'm no makeup guru, so obviously it is. I really hope that you guys like this look, and if you want to find out how to do it, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget about my giveaway. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and of course a MAC Fix Plus, which I'm gonna need more of soon, and just spray it so I could blend all of this out. And this is what it should look like, the final product. So now I'm gonna take my eyeshadow, is it this that I use? I feel like it is. My NYX eyeshadow base with just like a simple little concealer brush. And we're doing our eyes today, honey. Okay, so I just put some tape on my eyes so it could be sharp. Ugh. So let's get started. Okay. Just gonna do it like that. There we go, I can blink now. I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the color Love Letter, and I'm going to put it in the corner. I'm actually going to take the color Burnt Orange first. Put that in my lid, and then I'm going to take Love Letter and put it in the corner. Now I'm just cleaning off this little brush that I think I over cleaned, and I'm going to take the color Venetian Ped and put that underneath. And then I'm going to go back in with the Love Letter and put that above it again. Then I'm gonna go back in with Burnt Orange and just make sure that everything is blended out properly. Okay, so now we have those two colors. So I'm gonna go and cut the crease. Go and cut the crease. I'm gonna go and cut the crease. Go and cut the crease. This is gonna take precision, y'all. Okay, so the key for cutting your crease is to do, when you close your eyes, feel for the top of your eyeball. Like, that's how I know when to stop going up. Okay, so this is what it should look like looking down, and we're gonna go in with some more pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a brush like the flat brush like this and spray it. I don't know why I do that. It's not drying anything. And I'm gonna take in the Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk palette to be exact. I'm gonna take the color Angelic. And spraying it just helps it go on the brush. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean this brush because I'm gonna go in with the color Blood Moon. No, I was running out of liner, but I'm tempted to see if I ran out really badly. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Precise liner. Oh, I didn't really run out. And then let's peel this bad boy off. See? Perfect. Perfecto. Oh, so pretty. And I'm about to put my lashes on and I'll be right back on camera. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and do the usual things that I do. And I'm going to prime my face. Then I am going to put my Marc Jacobs. I don't know why I shook it. I never shake my foundation. Oh, whoa there, whoa there, whoa there. And I'm gonna take my highlighter and highlight that face. Then I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Cool Walnut. And now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier, of course, the translucent powder. So now that we have a nicely chiseled cheekbone, I'm gonna go in with another angled brush and my powder for my concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation stick on my nose. And this is what I look like so far. So good. But I'm gonna spray my face. I like to spray it in the middle when I'm doing like a full out look. Until it's like I'm drowning in the MAC Fix Plus. So I'm gonna let that dry and come right back. Okay, so now that it's dried up, it doesn't look too chalky. That's the trick, spray your face. So that way the powder can melt into your face a bit more. And then if it still looks chalky, just go over it again with whatever you put your foundation on, wherever you need to. And that's what I'm going to do around right here. So now I'm going to put on some blush, and I'm going to use the Nude Blush 10 color blush palette. And I am going to use this color up here. Sometimes I use this one, but I'm gonna use this one. And the reason why I put the blush all the way up here is because it tends to make your cheekbones appear higher than what they actually are. And then I've added the blush, and I'm going to put on my highlighter from Omrizi, of course. I'm never going to stop using this, so if y'all get tired of seeing this, then sorry not sorry. Oh my gosh, so the Beyonce tickets go on sale. On sale on Thursday. That's 2 days from now. Did I use this? I felt like I used a skinnier brush. Where is my highlighter brush? Okay, so now I'm gonna take this ColourPop lip liner in the color Dopey. And then I'm going to take the color Retro Matte, the MAC Retro Matte liquid lipstick in Burnt Spice, which looks like this. And this is your final look. Just kidding. I'm really just kidding, y'all. I did not even do the under eyelid. So which I shouldn't have put that first. That's okay. Or real, oh. I'm gonna stick with the Modern Renaissance because that's what I started with. And I'm gonna use Real Gar. So I need a thin brush like this. And now we're at the final look, so I'm going to spray my face one last time. And this is the look. Well, this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs this video up if you like it. And don't forget about my giveaway. That will be in the video down below. I mean the information box down below. Shh, I'm filming. Anyways, sayonara, and the next video will be uploaded on Friday. Say hi.
What's good?
That's all you have to say?
Yes, I said hi. What's good?
What's your name?
T-Rod.
So you're Tyga.
TJ.
Oh, okay. Do you like my eye makeup?
Nope. Yeah, look at
What? What'd you say?
yeah, look at
Oh, I thought you said something else.